Hello everyone, this is the fifth video of this particular series where I am showing you how you can upload your static website to different web services. In the last four videos we have seen the various services. Like in the first one we have seen CodePen, the second one we have seen how to use GitHub to host your website, then in the third one we have seen Netlify, and in the last video we have seen FreeHostia. Okay, now today we are going to see slightly different uh, different website which is called InfinityFree. Okay, so let's start with that. This is the website that I'm going to put it onto the server. Okay, so you can see it's a basic HTML website. There is nothing much in it. Okay, so I will upload this to the InfinityFree web server. Okay, so let's begin. Let's first do a infinityfree.net. Okay, so this is the website infinityfree.net, and it provides you everything infinite. That is what they say. Let's see what is infinite. Okay, so if you go down you can see the Infinity, they have three different plans: Infinity Free, Super Premium, Ultimate Premium. And you can see this hosting service provider gives you unlimited disk space, bandwidth, domains, etc., no email accounts. Okay, and one downside here, obviously every hosting company has who provides free hosting, they do have some drawbacks. So this is one of the drawbacks, that you can have only 50 daily hits on your website. Okay, so basically this website, whatever you host on this is not for high traffic website. Okay, so once you understand that, let's now create now sign up is very easy. Okay, so you can click on this register button and use an email ID to register your account. Okay, so let's go to the client area and log into your account. So you can see when you open, you will have this particular section empty, but you can create up to 3 accounts. Okay, so I have created one already. So creating an account, this is very simple. You just select a subdomain that you want. Okay, so you can select from lot of different. So let me select mm, let me select the small one. Okay, so rf.gd. Okay, and let's set this to be Shibu CV. Okay, so this is my domain name, shibucv.rf.gd. Let's search if it is available. Okay, so the domain is available. So I can now set a password. Okay, so I can select any. I have selected this dummy password before, so let's select let's say test12345. Okay, so let's select that and create an account. And now you can see I have I have created an account, and I can go to that the control panel. Okay, so let's open up the control panel for this particular account. So once it opens, this particular notice will come. You just have to click on approve, and this is your panel. Okay, so you can see what all things you can do with this. So there are lots of things you can do. Okay, and the best part is you can host unlimited websites over here. Okay, so that is a very good thing about this. Okay, so let's go to let's find out. Let's go to our domains. Okay, so let's go to add-on domains and let's see. So right now what we have is this particular domain. Okay, so let's open this domain and see what is currently there. Okay, so let's open it, and you can see your default page of Infinity website is getting loaded. That is loaded from this particular location. Okay, so let's go to the file manager, and So this is the file manager. So all these hosting service providers, they have a similar interface. Okay, so this looks like cPanel, the famous file manager, sorry, the hosting manager, but this is not, this is a mock of cPanel. Okay, so let's just open the file manager, and once it is open, you can see I get the htdocs folder. Okay, so let me just open this, and you can see they have created some files to let you know that this is where you have to upload your contents. Okay, so and this is the file that you can see right now. Okay, so let's just select this and delete it, and let's select this and delete it. Okay, and let's now refresh this page and see. You can see nothing is there. Okay, so that page is gone. So now let us come over here and select upload. So upload a folder. Okay, so select upload a folder, and let's go to desktop and select this particular folder. Okay, so now obviously we can do this, but this will also upload the git files. Okay, so git folder also will be uploaded, so we don't want that. So what I can do is I can just drag everything from here. Let's hope it works. Okay, so you can see it works. So something like this appears, that means it will work. Okay, so just leave it and it starts uploading. And that's it, our website is live now. If I refresh, and our site is live. Okay, so that's how simple that was to create to host your website online with the help of this service. Okay, so you can see now whenever you want to update, you have to come here manually and update it. Okay, now all these websites have a common problem that whenever you want to update the code or update the website, you will have to come to the file manager and upload your contents again and again. Okay, uh, this may not be feasible so all the time, so that is why people normally use something called as git to update their code. Okay, but I don't think this hosting service has git enabled. So the next best option is to use ftp. Okay, so in another video I will explain how to use ftp to upload your contents. Okay, so I hope you have understood this. We will see you in the next video with another web service provider. Thank you.